I'm Mysticat or Misty, and let's make you some item elevators. We're going to start by setting up a bunch of droppers as such. I'm just going to go with 12 here. We're going to put a hopper with a chest on the bottom. So we're going to take the signal out of this bottom dropper, and then we're going to extend it to full power. And we're going to run this into a comparator pulse extender, like this. That'll shoot up into a block, which carries the current up here, which goes into another comparator. And you want to make sure you flip this to subtraction mode. And then down here, this goes like this. And then how do we want to do this? Let's go block here. Every other block you want to place like this. You like to place these slabs and this pattern all the way across. And then break the center blocks. We'll place some redstone dust. And there we go. And then we put in a stack of items. And we'll see that I made this one too high. The power can't reach that way. Okay, there we go. Now I put a chest up here. And that's the right height. So here they all come. So next up is a more efficient and variable water elevator. So we're going to dig out some space here. Let's dig it about like this. We're going to have some sticky pistons here. Sticky piston here. And observers looking in these directions. And if you want to know what we're doing and why it works, I'll link a video up in the corner up there. And then we're going to want an observer looking in this direction. Excuse me. And a piston. And then we'll fill this in. And we'll put a button here. And then we'll need to find some soul sand. We'll need to find the southeast corner. That's here. And then we're going to want to put a block there. Perfect. And next, we'll want to put a quick little glass case around this and a dispenser. Let's actually swap this for a forward-facing dispenser like that. We're going to place a comparator coming out of this, which goes to a shape of blocks like this. You're going to place dust here, here, and here. A block and a repeater. And what this will do is if you put a couple blocks in there, it'll just shoot them out at a nice speed. Next, we're going to pillar all these up. You don't have to use glass, of course, but it just looks the nicest. You can make this however how you want. I'm going to make it this high for fun. All right, now we're going to place water right here. We're going to look for kelp. We're going to swim down and fill everything with kelp. And then we're going to go down and break the kelp. And then at the top here, we want to extend this out a little bit. We're going to have a chest. Here's fine. And a hopper pointing into it. And we want to surround this with glass like this. Let's actually add some more space. Let's add another chest here. And then we can fill this with our blocks. That'll shoot them out. And if that's not fast enough for you, let's switch it around. There you go. But if that's too fast for you, you can turn it back. No big deal. Next up, we're going to do something similar. We're going to make a dispenser. Let's just put it like here. We're going to make this same contraption like this, with dust in these spots and this. And I may as well put a hopper and a chest on top. So we're going to break these two blocks. We're going to add a dust and a repeater with a 2-tick delay like that. We're going to place a sticky piston right here with a slime or honey block on top. And then anywhere this block would touch, you want to replace with a furnace or obsidian because they don't cost very much and they're not movable. And now you want to stack up 9 total blocks above where the slime is. So this is 3 so far. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, then we want to make a glass there, glass here. And then if you want to make this a little shorter, I was just going to put a hopper hanging off there, but I guess we can just put it here. Won't make a difference. And then we're going to encase this in glass as such. We're going to get a sign and just going to put it somewhere in here. Where's my water? Here's water. And then we're going to place this back here. And now, if we put a stack of block, there you go. You should also know how to move items horizontally, so you should check out the sorting system video, which teaches you just that.